Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new, my name is Robin, and in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 things that you might be forgetting to clean. Now, sometimes we get into the habit of cleaning the same things the same way, and that's okay because having a routine helps us to keep on top of our cleaning. But sometimes there are areas of our home that we just simply overlook, or maybe it's something that you know you should be cleaning, but you procrastinate because it's just no fun. And I actually had this suggestion from a subscriber. Her name is Amber, and this was a great idea because I know this is something that we can all fall into the habit of, overlooking things that we need to be cleaning. And so I'm going to start out with 5 today. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure to leave in the comments below something else, another thing that you know people overlook or something that you remember to do that you think others may not. And if you guys like this video, I could turn it into a series and do more. So give me some suggestions of things that you'd like to see me clean. I will try to research it and come up with the best tips for you guys to help you get those overlooked items done. Number 1 is our trash can, and this should seem obvious, and maybe it is to you, but unless something leaks in the bottom of my can like this, I don't tend to clean it. Not on a regular basis anyway, and it probably should be done about once a week, but I'd say minimally once a month. I like to use something like the 7th generation disinfectant spray. It kills all of the germs and it doesn't have any harmful chemicals. And you just spray it in the can, and it's actually a good idea if you let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes so that it can really do its job. And then I wipe with a microfiber cloth. And I clean the inside but also the outside of the garbage can. This bin we use for our recyclables, and it does not usually get as dirty, but it also needs a thorough cleaning once in a while. If you keep your trash can in a pull-out drawer like this or in your cabinet, then you need to clean in there as well. And so I start off by getting any debris that I can with the vacuum, and then I will also wipe everything down with the microfiber cloth. Our garbage can smelling fresh between cleanings, I like to use about 1/4 cup of baking soda mixed with my favorite essential oil. And today I'm using peppermint, and so I put a few drops in there. I don't really measure, probably somewhere between 5 and 10 drops. And then I put the lid on the jar, give it a good shake, and then I sprinkle it in the bottom of our trash can. And the last thing I like to do is to wipe the outside of the trash can. And if you think about it, this is a very dirty area. Every time we open and close the drawer, we're touching it multiple times. And I do this almost on a daily basis, but giving the whole cabinet a good wipe down is a good idea. Lots of times I'll see a lot of little drips and splatters, and using a microfiber cloth like this one from Norwex helps remove all of the germs too. second area that you may be forgetting to clean, and I know I do, is the dishwasher. And it seems like this area would just clean itself. I mean, after all, you're putting your dishes in it every day. But it does collect a lot of debris, and I'm going to show you the best way to clean it. But before we do that, we need to unload the dishwasher. Once the dishwasher's empty, you need to remove the filter, and in my dishwasher, it's at the bottom. And if you're not sure where yours is, just consult your manual because most dishwashers have them. And this is where a lot of the gunk and goo collects. And if you've never cleaned it before, you're going to be really surprised when you pull it out. And if you've ever had a funky smell in your dishwasher, this is probably the source. Usually the filter will have two parts and you'll need to disconnect them and then clean each part thoroughly with just soap and water. Once they're clean, just snap them back together. In my dishwasher, a lot of debris and buildup happens around where the filter sits, and so if I can't remove it with a microfiber cloth, then I will leave my filter out while I clean the dishwasher so that this area can be accessed to. This is a very tried and true simple method for cleaning your dishwasher, and all you will need is some vinegar and baking soda. So you fill a measuring cup about a half to a cup full of vinegar, and then you just set that in the top of your dishwasher. And you close your dishwasher and set it to run on a high heat setting. When the cycle is done, just open your dishwasher and your cup will be filled with water, and mine actually has a little bit of debris in the bottom of it as well. Just pour that out in your sink. The next step is to sprinkle about 1/4 cup of baking soda all around the bottom of your dishwasher. The vinegar sort of softens and loosens up the buildup in your dishwasher, and then the baking soda works to really clean it. Then you will need to run your dishwasher on high heat setting one more time. And I know this seems like a waste without any dishes in there, but it really can help to prolong the life of your dishwasher and keep it running efficiently. And to clean the outside of the dishwasher, my favorite way to clean stainless steel is with a microfiber cloth, and this one is from eCloth. It is one of a set called the Kitchen Cloth Set, I believe, and I have that in my Amazon store if you guys are interested. It comes with this window cleaning cloth, and it's a great way to give your stainless steel a streak-free shine without using any extra products. Once the cycle is finished, then I just like to wipe everything down again with a microfiber cloth, just to pick up any debris that has been loosened up. If there are any areas areas like this corner near the gasket where there's extra buildup, that will be loosened by the cleaning, and so you can just use a toothbrush to scrub it a little bit and then remove the rest with the microfiber cloth. Of your dishwasher is stainless steel and you really want to go crazy, you can do what I do, which is use a little bit of Barkeeper's Friend to give it a shine that makes your dishwasher feel like it's brand new. I'm using a damp sponge to work it in, and then I will remove all of the cleaner with a microfiber cloth. Return the filter and you are good to go. The third area is your kitchen faucet, and a lot of gross things collect here, so I am so embarrassed to show you guys this. But this is something that you guys are probably overlooking too, and it can be easily cleaned while you're working on your dishwasher. You'll just need the vinegar again, a little plastic baggie, and a rubber band. Fill the plastic bag with enough vinegar to allow your faucet to be fully immersed. To let this sit for, I would say, at least 3 to 4 hours, and the longer the better. And the vinegar will break up all of the hard water deposits and any debris that is built up on there, and will also disinfect your faucet. Ours gets pretty bad pretty fast because we have very hard water, and so there's a lot of calcium buildup, and the vinegar takes care of all of that. After the vinegar has done the job of loosening the buildup, using a toothbrush helps to remove it really well, especially in the little holes that might have been clogged. To say I'm pretty impressed with the end result, and now I can proudly show you my kitchen faucet. The fourth area that you might be forgetting to clean are ceiling fans if you have them in your home. And we live in Texas. It gets really hot here in the summertime, and I don't think I could live without our ceiling fan at nighttime. But they collect so much dust, and if you are not cleaning them on a regular basis, you'll be really surprised at how much is up there. I always include cleaning the ceiling fans as part of my zone cleaning, which means I'm doing it every 8 weeks. But even that often allows a lot of dust to accumulate there, and if you have any problems with allergies, it's probably a good idea to be cleaning them even more often. I'm just using my Norwex dust mitts. They're just microfiber mitts. You can use a microfiber cloth. I think it's best to just use a dry cloth and do it more often. And I just go over the blades on the top side and the underside, and then all the parts that I can easily access, and that will remove most of the dust. If it has been a very long time since you've cleaned the dust off your ceiling fans and there's a lot of buildup, to avoid having it fall onto your bed or the floor, you could put a pillowcase over each blade, pull it along, and that way all of the dust will be contained inside the pillowcase. The fifth place you might be forgetting to clean is your shower drain, and I saved the most disgusting for last. And the way to keep it clean is to use about a quarter cup of baking soda sprinkled into your drain, followed by a quarter cup of vinegar. And then you can see it bubbling up there. It's loosening everything in your drain. You just want to let it sit for about 5 minutes. After the vinegar and baking soda have done their work, you need to flush the drain with boiling water. Doing this once a month is a great way to keep your drain running smoothly. Using these all-natural ingredients to clean your drain on a regular basis will help you avoid using harsh chemicals to unclog it later on. If you have a clog, it is probably hair, and the best thing to remove it is a tool like the Zip It tool, and I'll have one linked in my Amazon store for you guys. It is the best way to get out hair clogs. This happens at our house regularly, so I've done this many times, and I do it on a regular basis anytime our drain gets slow. Once you've removed the screws and the drain cover, you can use the tool to remove the clog. Insert the tool as far as it will go, and as you pull it back up, it will snag the hair and remove your clog. If you were squeamish, you might want to look away because really nasty stuff comes out of your shower drain. Taking these steps to keep the drain in your shower clear is a great way to save money. You will probably never have to pay a plumber to unclog it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you lots of cleaning motivation to hit those areas in your home that need some extra attention that you might have been overlooking. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and that will let me know to do more. And if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure when you subscribe that you hit the bell icon so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video and you won't miss out on anything. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.